Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to create a simple video ad using Kinemaster. So click on create new project. Alright, so right here you select a background first. So let's just use let's use white for this. Alright, so right here is where you tell a bit about the brand. Alright, so add a text. So let us say delight ng delight.ng. Alright, so change the color, let's just use black, and change the font as well. Okay, alright, so this is the brand name. Let's just add an animation to it. Let's say let's use this. Okay, and so let us add a tagline. Let's add a tagline to it. Alright, so let's add this tagline. Change the color once more and change the font. So let's use something, let's use medium italic. Alright, so add in animation to it, which we use the letter by letter. Where is it? Alright, this is it. Okay, I think we extend this a bit. Alright, so we trim to the right. Okay, so our next stuff after adding this, we add using the media button right here, we add the first image. Right, so let's use this. Okay, alright, so let's add a transition in between these two images. So add this transition right here. Let's say we use transition right here. So you can download some transitions from this asset store right here. So just turn on your mobile data and download some transitions. Alright, okay, so that's it. So let's extend this a bit. Okay, okay, let us leave it as that. Okay, so at this point right here, click on the photo layer, come to clip graphic, and you can also download a lot of clip graphic from the asset store as well. So download this one called on sale. Could download it. So I'll click on the first one right here, and the clip graphic will be added to your image. All right, so what you have to show is that you can use this slider to increase or decrease the duration of the clip graphic on your image or image layer. Okay, so this is it. So next thing you have to do right here is to start editing the text of this clip graphic right here. So we start adding text. So let's just say this is a clearance sale. So clearance says okay, right here. I think make the text bolder. Let's make it bold. All right, so clearance says up Okay, let's say up to 50% of, okay, so this is it. All right, okay, I think one more text to be edited. So right here you edit the price right here. This is the old price, so you edit the old price. So let's say this was 10,000 and this new price becomes, so this new price becomes 5,000 for the 50% discount. All right, so you can add the name of your product right here. So let's add it and make the font bold. All right, so that's just it. So to add more images to this, click on the image layer, then duplicate it. All right, so add a transition between the two images first. So let's try this or this. Okay, so let's use this. So click on the clip graphic and extend it. Oh, so let's extend the main image itself a bit further, then extend the clip graphic to meet up with it. All right, okay. All right, so click on the image and click on this place right here and change the image. All right, so I've changed it. Okay, so let's just extend it a bit. So let's edit the clip graphic we have right here. So we edit it and we change this to this second one right here. Click on this. All right, it comes to the right hand side. So we just have to edit the price if the price are not the same. So let's just edit it. So let's say this was 8,000 naira and the clearance says is now 4,000 naira. All right, so you can also change the product name. Let's just say this is a Gucci shirt. All right, so let's say Gucci long sleeves. All right, so that basically it. You can start adding more products using this same method. All right, so next off, so let's add another image. So just simply duplicate this. So let's add one last image. So add a transition between them two. Okay, so let's add this transition to it. All right, and let's start to edit the clip graphic once more. All right, so you could simply change the price. Okay, I think I need to edit the image first. So let's add the next image. Okay, this is it. So we could just simply leave it as that. Just edit the price alone, that's it. So let's say this was 12k. All right, and the new price becomes 6,000 naira. All right, basically that's it. So let us say this is the product name. So you see Max. All right, so let us add our call to action right here. So add media, add a white background also, so make this a bit shorter. So let's add an effect once more, transition effect. So let's fade it out this way, so make the transition fast. All right, so we edit our clip graphic once more. All right, okay, so let's start adding our text. So you say call, change the font, change the text color right here and increase it. All right, so let me just duplicate this text and edit to add a phone number. All right, so move it down here, make it a bit more bold. So, and that's it. So let us add an in animation to this. So let's say slide down, make it fast, and in animation for this will be, let's scale it up. Okay, that's it, make it fast, and that's basically just it. So we have to extend it a bit too short. So let's play it from starting. All right, so that's basically that's it. So you can go ahead and add an audio to your creation. So add this audio file to it. All right, so we are done with this. So we go ahead and export our project. So thanks for watching. See you in the very next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.